Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take an ECG on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So first of all, on our watch we're gonna have to open the applications list and find the health monitor application. Open it and here select ECG. Then you're gonna have to install the respective application on your smartphone, so you'll get a redirection to the Samsung store page to install the health monitor application on your phone. And after that you're gonna have to basically continue from your smartphone. You can tap OK right here to instantly get redirected to the ECG page of your health monitor, or you can also open the Samsung health monitor application on your smartphone and start from there. Okay, so we're gonna have to tap Setup ECG. Next, then get to know the precautions, like that ECG app cannot detect a heart attack and it only looks for atrial fibrillation. Then tap Done. And now, in order to start measuring ECG, we're gonna have to open this application on our watch again, and let's wear the watch. Okay, so according to instructions, we're gonna have to place our hand on a flat surface and also wear your watch slightly above your usual position on your wrist. Tap OK, then rest your finger slightly on the home button and give it 30 seconds to measure your beats per minute. Okay. Then you can add symptoms that you have by tapping Add Symptoms and then selecting the one that you have and tap Save. And then view the result details by tapping on your phone. Okay, let's tap Get Started to detect the irregular heart rhythm. Okay, and here we'll be able to see the ECG of our heartbeat or heart rhythm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.